That's brilliant because that's filming, so I can use that in the outtakes. Welcome back to another Detailing Detectives YouTube channel, folks. Today, again, we're going to do something quite different, as always the case when I bring you some footage. So, at the moment, we're in the new van, although it's not a transit. More to come on that later on. Sorry. We are heading towards Nottingham for a little catch up with Simon Selvin, who is one of the admins of the Abarth East Midlands group, and he's been challenged by Autoglym to create a video on their new Polarblast snow foam, however using a different method and using the pump sprayer, which is something that Simon currently does. So we're going down there. We're going to help him out with filming this video for Autoglym. Yeah, we're just on his way now. So we've just left our hometown of Cresswell and we're just heading towards Overton. So in another 45 minutes or so we should arrive at our destination. And yeah, sit back, enjoy, and yeah, hope you like this one.
Hi, I'm Simon from East Midlands Abarth, and today we're going to be testing Autoglym's Polarblast snow foam in a handheld pump.
I am.
So what we're doing?
We're going to pump and think. You want to explain how much you put in?
How much have we put in?
I'd say about 1.5 inches.
So in the hand pump we have about this much water to this much snow foam. We're going to pump and see what we get out of it. Is this thing exploding? Stand back. I think we're ready to try.
That's better. That's a lot better, that.
So it actually produces quite a good foam, but it does take a lot of pumping, so you're going to need some strength.
Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
that was a insight into creating a video with Simon from Abarth, East Midlands. If you've got an Abarth and you're in the East Midlands area, I'll put the links to the Facebook page below, or check out one of our other videos. I'll put a link for the Polarblast from Autoglym below if you're interested in purchasing that, and a few of the other products that we used when washing it, as you'll see on the film. Leaves me to say, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, plenty more videos to come. We're trying to get a video out every Sunday. When we've got quite a few videos that we've got at the moment over summer, we're going to chuck them out on a Wednesday as well. So hit that notification bell and you'll be notified every time a video goes out from us. Thanks to Simon for the coffee and the laughs while completing this video. And yeah, see you again soon. Ta-ra.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!
So in the hand pump we have around this much water to this much snow foam.
We'll leave that in.
Thank you. Don't laugh. It's going to be even worse. What should I say? It's all my Christmases come at once. Go on, who goes?